वहाँ से घुमाना पड़ेगा मेरे को। What's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. आज मैं जा रहा हूँ towards a lake view point और I don't know the destination yet.
हमको नहीं पता, हमको कुछ नहीं पता।
I could also go towards a dam reservoir जो आपका that falls near Chilika Lake. And I had been asking people if you want to go on a ride or not, and the people are like always, I'm not free, I am busy, मेरा accident हो गया, मेरे घर में ये हो गया, वो हो गया. There might be situations, so I don't blame them. But since I hadn't taken a ride or went for a ride for a long time, been 1 week plus. So here I am today on the streets going to some dam reservoir that I haven't explored. It's certainly like 52 kilometers left यहाँ से. So it is going to be a good ride, I'm hoping, because we are not going to the city traffic. हम कोई जंगल वाला रास्ता लेने वाले हैं, goes through a jungle, but it is a good रास्ता and all. So we'll go through that way, so we don't have to hit the city on a Sunday though. The best thing you could do to avoid traffic in city on a weekend ride. I was much excited for this about on the morning because I had asked my other friend Avijit, which you might have seen in my last video. Like I said, no, I'm not able to make it to the morning part. Will also be not be able to make it to the evening part. So I was like, okay bro, cool. And I was like, cool, I cannot help, I know, but I gotta go where I gotta go. Sometimes I think you should ride it out. People will join you depending upon what time and priority they have set for themselves though. Sometimes people won't, but me going to a ride with my bike and the मतलब अंदर से you should have that कि हाँ चलो थोड़ा घूम के नहीं, बाइक के साथ थोड़ा सा टाइम स्पेंड करके आते हैं. Because at the end of the day, how much you work, the stress, the things in your life, when you're on the throttle, it goes away. I think for me, it helps that way. Friends add up more to it when you're riding with buddies or your people around you. They add up more. Is what I believe. But ठीक है. So yeah, this is the road after we escape the city a bit. It is still not over for the other parts of the village या कुछ भी, but these roads are good, yeah. And I also got these new gloves because गर्मी के वजह से humidity क्या ही बोलो this part of the region. So these are Koda Street 2.0. It has this knuckle protectors over here and basic this ones, because the previous one I had which I already have also was the Axor one, जिसपे काफ़ी मेरे को लगता था कि my hand was not being comfortable and it was pretty hot and there was no air passage in it and also, and this has that, तो थोड़ा it gets better on the rides थोड़ा बहुत, given it has basic protection, not CE certified or something like that. But as of now for the city ride, this works for me a little bit. Also we have reached around 4,500 kilometers. Let us see, 4,300 as you can see, and the second service is due on 5,000 kilometers, something like that. And on the first service, the bill was around 2,300 ish, which includes the free labor वगैरह and all. We'll see second service में कितना बिल आता है. So mostly we're traveling through the other roads, not the highways, first of all. इतना ब्रेकर, इतना बम्पर है. It's mostly through the city traffic, bhai. Annoying as it is. Why do you want to go through a city traffic or a village traffic or XYZ traffic, the whole route that you take? Anyways, this is my first time exploring places, so I'm also learning things that I didn't know about. If you go through this way, it's gonna be traffic, breakers, people, guy, bhais, bakri, and whatnot. The roads also itself. And finally, we are on the back on the highway. Nice. Holy shit, these roads, man. Nice. Oh my god. Damn, son. Damn. If this is the road to Vizag and all, I could go all day. Holy shit, bhai. Holy shit. This still has the power like of it. Duke 395. So it's just 3 kilometers from here, and we have to continue the down path from here. So to take a left from here, we'll see how it goes. Take it from here. Yeah, boy. This is a mining site mostly, na? I'm feeling like the same thing because Pahad, they are breaking the Pahad and all. Yes, confirmed. This is a mining site. We are going towards a mining site with dust and all everything, which looked nice on the map though and on the internet though. It's all dhool, bhai, dhool. Nothing much. Then you have to go down. I don't think I'll go down. Alright, we'll see if we can go to the downside here. I've just found out that I can go down. If I show you from here, यहाँ पे जा सकते हैं, just to get the better view. Let's see if I can go. I've put my gloves off for a while because the roads are not likely, so I'll have to control this beast. Let's see where can we go from. वहाँ से घुमाना पड़ेगा मेरे को. It's too much of muddish, थोड़ा बहुत धूल झपट्टा. The thing is that should I go or not? I'll just check once. If it is worth it, or it is worth dying for and sliding down. I think we should go, but slowly, yeah. Come on, boy, come on. Come on. We have reached the point.
वाह क्या सीन है, वाह क्या सीन है.
So we are going to be exiting this place because कुछ लोग वहाँ पे बोल रहे बाहर आने के लिए. I think it's not safe. It has some off terrains. It was a good viewpoint, but today's ride wasn't meant to be going well. Let's see how we can exit. Calm and steady, calm and steady, calm and steady. Calm and steady. Calm and steady. Calm and steady. Slow and steady wins the race. Too many pathars, bhai. Oh, it was a police officer, but they don't have any warning signs over here, man. They being a police officer, not being any warning signs. लेकिन on the internet people used to say it as a viewpoint. वही मानते थे ये लोग इसको. ये mining site, nothing viewable right there. Why do people treat mining sites as viewpoints? You shouldn't go there. The police was there for safety purpose, for my safety, because there could be rocks falling and all. I didn't know it was a mining site first of all. That's why I had been to that place thinking of it as some viewpoint, but turned out that's not what it was though. And we are back on the roads. So we're not going straight home. We'll see, touch down on a friend, see if he wants to go with us on the right, and then we'll continue the video on the next part. So yeah, couldn't do much on this ride. It was just a basic weekend ride because I had to go alone, so I couldn't even decide on places, and it was already on a good as afternoon, hot sunny day. But yeah, it was fun as of a weekend ride, as a single rider going on. I was okay satisfied with it. I was not that satisfied because of the place I went was a mining site and not a viewpoint. If I knew it was a mining site, I would have just not gone towards that point, you know. Yeah, so we'll then just end it here. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.